In this video we are going to see about how to install driver for Arduino. Open your browser and then search for pl2303 driver. Now click the first link which is in the description and download the file which you need, and then open the file and extract that. I already extracted, and then double click on the setup file. Next, and read the terms and conditions, and then give next, and then finish. Right click on this PC and give manage. Select device manager and then connect your Arduino and then select the port. Then select driver and select the update driver and select browse my computer for driver. After that, select let me a pick from a list and then select the driver which you have installed and then give next. Now the driver is installed, give close and then close. No, now this device is working properly. Thank you for watching.